Welcome to our Clipchamp tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to add music to your videos, making them more dynamic and engaging. First, upload your video. Click on the Upload button in the top left corner of the screen. Once your video is uploaded, select it and navigate to the Audio tab on the left toolbar. Here, you'll find a library of royalty-free tracks. Browse through and find a music clip that fits your video's mood. Click on a song to preview it. If you love it, hit Add to insert it into your timeline. Finally, adjust the audio levels to ensure your music complements the video's message without overpowering it. And there you have it! You've added music to your video with ease. Let's review our changes. Remember, good music enhances your storytelling. Experiment with different tracks to find the perfect fit. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Happy editing! Thanks for watching! Enjoy creating with Clipchamp.